G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. This week we're doing something a little bit different. We are making a non-alcoholic Pina Colada. So if no alcohol is your thing, stick around, and if it's not your thing, still stick around. So let's get started. What you're going to need today is some coconut cream, some fresh pineapple, or you can just get pineapple out of a tin in the supermarket, that's easier. Some pineapple juice. You're going to need a bar spoon, just for scooping in the pineapple, and a jigger. We're serving it in a Pina Colada or a hurricane glass today. This one is a hurricane glass, and a blender. So once you've got all that sorted, we can get started. First thing you need to do is grab your blender or your whatever you're blending it in, and we're going to load it up with some ice. So the first step, about a cup of ice into your blender. Then we're going to pour 60 mils of coconut cream. There we go. Straight into the top. Now we're going to pour the pineapple juice in next. So you need 250 mils of pineapple juice, which is 3 of our multi-jiggers and 25 mils. More. There we go. The last piece is about 60 grams of fresh pineapple. So again, you can just cut up a pineapple or you can just get the stuff out of the can. Slide that straight in. Let's blend away. All right, there we go. So next step is to drain or pour directly into your glass, like such. Probably less spillage would be good also. So let's clean that up. There we go. To garnish, we're gonna have a fresh piece of pineapple. It's on the side, and a straw. And there you have the non-alcoholic Pina Colada. Enjoy.